everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Steph. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to me or haven't dinged my bell, then please do so down below if you like this video, and give me a thumbs up also please. Anyway, I had a kettle blow up last week, and I've been using a really old kettle that takes a sort of like 20 minutes or so to boil, if not longer, sort of 20-30 minutes to just boil. So when you want a cup of tea, you got to wait forever. So I ordered a new kettle, so we're going to undo this kettle and see what it's like. Right, before you use it, you need to give it a rinse out, okay, and then make sure you dry it properly. So I've done that. I've rinsed it out, I've dried it. We're going to try it out now and see what what colour it goes. It's going to be exciting. Are you ready? It's got it in and it's gone blue. Look, isn't it pretty? Right, I'm going to turn it on now and we'll see. I filled it in sort of half full, so let's turn it on and see. Oh, it's gone red. Right, so when it's not turned on, oh, it's boiling already. Flipping Laura, that's quick. Right, so when, go the other one really quick. So when it's not turned on, it's blue. When you turn it on, it goes red. Okay, and it's really pretty. So the iridescent bit makes it look sort of rainbowish. And I really do like the lid, and it is a really light kettle. Wait for it to boil so you can see when it's bubbling. I'm not going to use the first lot of water, obviously. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. It's going to be cloudy, so obviously needs rinsing out properly first. But it's quite quiet too, it's not very noisy. It has got a bit of a yucky colour, so I won't be drinking that. But look. And I suppose once it reaches temperature, I reckon it will go blue again because it will turn itself off. But we definitely won't be using this water to make tea because it's a bit thick. So we will be ditching this water and maybe boil it a couple of times before I use it. That most kettles. It's coming up to boil now. It's taken 2 minutes. So it's a hell of a lot quicker than my old kettle, which I was using this old thing. Look, bless it. It's come up to boil. Can you see? Bubbling. Hopefully it turns itself off and goes blue. Oh, it's going for it now, look. How cool is that? Yes! Look, and then it's gone blue. So when it's, oh, it's so cool. How awesome is that? Right, I love this kettle. It is amazing. It is pretty. It is holds loads of water. Takes 3 minutes to boil. I'm well chuffed. Yes. So what do I give this kettle? At the moment, I'm giving it 10 out of 10 because it's awesome. Right, thank you all for watching my video. I love my kettle. It is gorgeous and I'm well chuffed. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Boy, 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 boy. Bye.